One other thing I like to use the parallel glider for is hand lettering. So just like with calligraphy, you can use the parallel glider to make your guidelines. So I'll make 3 here. And then I'll just rotate the paper, pull down from the top, and I'm going to write hello in George style hand lettering, which is a particularly geometric style. That's why the parallel glider comes in handy. And I'll just speed up the video to show you how I do this. And there you go. All you would have to do at this point is erase those pencil guidelines and you've got, a really nice, clean looking piece of hand lettering.